Welcome to Foodili. Today's special, chicken and mushroom pasta. Let's get started. First up, grab 10 to 12 mushrooms. We'll slice them thin for our pasta. Now, take 250 grams of chicken fillet. Let's add color and flavor with 100 grams of finely chopped parsley. Crush 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Time for the chicken strips. Add them to the pan and let's cook. Add the sliced mushrooms to the mix. Let the mushrooms and chicken mingle. Season with a teaspoon of salt, paprika, thyme, and red pepper. Give the spices a good stir. This lets their flavors fully release into the dish. Now, pour in 3 tablespoons of cream. Let's add enough milk now to ensure the cream dissolves properly. Mix everything well. Pizza cheese works great if you're out of Parmesan. Time to blend the cheese into our sauce. Stir until it's perfectly creamy. Parsley time. Sprinkle it into the pan for that fresh, herby touch. Let's get the pre-cooked rigatoni pasta into the pan. Mix the pasta thoroughly with our sauce. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Our chicken and mushroom pasta is ready. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.